Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Beats Fit Pro with your Android device. So first of all, we have to enter the pairing mode on our device. So we have to open the case, input both earbuds inside, and then click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking like that white. In some cases, when you open this plastic cover of the case, the pairing mode will be enabled automatically, but in my case I have to turn it manually with this button. And next we have to turn on the Bluetooth on our device and then open the Bluetooth settings. So we have to click to pair new device. Now wait for Beats until they pop right here, and then select them from the list, accept the pairing request, and as you can see we are successfully connected. We can also open the Play Store and check if we can plug them to the Beats application. So that's the name of the app. Let's try it. Okay, right now we can open it, read that stuff and then tap agree, or just simply scroll without reading. Click to get started, accept the notifications. Click to get started right now, select don't send, and then click next to enable the Bluetooth permission. Here we can find our device, but as you can see, when we connect them previously by the standard Bluetooth settings, we don't have to use the pairing connection right here. They are already paired. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.